Picture this. It's late evening, you're sitting at your computer reading an article. You want to print one page, but your hand shakes. Instead of current page, you accidentally select entire internet, and you click OK. The printer makes a whirring sound that sounds like the beginning of the end of the world. The process begins.
All the text content on the internet, articles, books, social media posts, website code, the English Wikipedia alone, if you remove the images, would take up about 3,000 encyclopedia volumes. The entire text internet is a library the size of, well, say New York City. It's a lot, but we can still digest it. The Amazon rainforest is still safe, for now.
But the internet isn't text. It's pictures of cats and videos. And that's where the nightmare begins. A video is a series of pictures. Standard video runs at 30 or 60 frames per second. To print 1 minute of video in full HD, you'd need 3,600 sheets of colored paper. That's a stack 36 centimeters high. 1 hour-long YouTube video is a paper tower 21 meters high. And 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute. Now, about resources. The total volume of data in the world is estimated at approximately 175 zettabytes. If you convert that to A4 sheets of paper, we won't have enough trees. We'll cut down the Amazon, the taiga, every park, and every solitary tree in the savannah. And that would only be enough to print out Google's server logs for last year. To print the entire internet, we'd need the wood from about 10 trillion planet Earths. And what about ink? Printer ink is one of the most expensive liquids in the world, more expensive than human blood and vintage champagne. To print these zettabytes, we'll need an ocean of ink the size of the Pacific Ocean. The economy would collapse in seconds. All the world's currency wouldn't cover the cost of replacing the cartridges. But let's say we have an infinite supply of paper and ink. Where would we put it? If we stacked all those sheets of paper, the stack wouldn't just reach the moon. It would pass through the sun, go beyond the Milky Way galaxy, and reach deep space. We'd build a paper bridge to the edge of the observable universe. And that stack would grow faster than the speed of light because new data is being created faster than you can type it. This experiment is doomed to failure, not because of its resources, but because of the very nature of the internet. The internet isn't a library with books on shelves. It's a conversation. It's a flow. Printing the internet is like trying to print a river or photograph every thought in your head. By the time the first page comes out of the printer, the information on it is already outdated. So hit cancel and spare the trees.